Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change your app permissions on macOS. Whether it's controlling access to your microphone, camera, files, or location, knowing how to manage these settings is super important for both privacy and functionality. First, let's open System Settings. Just click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then select System Settings. If you're using an older version of macOS, this might be called System Preferences. Next, scroll down the sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. This is where all your app permissions live. Now under privacy, you'll see a list of categories like location services, camera, microphone, and more. Click on one you want to manage. For example, let's adjust camera permission. Once you're in, you'll see a list of apps that have requested access. To grant or revoke permission, just toggle the switch next to the app. If the app isn't listed, it probably hasn't requested access yet. Once you've updated the permissions, it's a good idea to test the app just to make sure that everything's working as expected. Open the app and see if it prompts you for access again or behaves differently.